Imagine a world where diseases like sickle cell, cystic fibrosis, or even cancer could be edited out of existence, like fixing a typo in a Google Doc. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, thanks to CRISPR, it's becoming a reality. And no, this isn't some futuristic theory. We're talking about FDA-approved treatments happening right now. CRISPR isn't just stopping at fixing genes. It's pushing into cancer treatments, HIV cures, and even aging itself. Yeah, we're talking about real-life sci-fi. So, buckle up, because today we're diving into the wild, game-changing world of gene editing. CRISPR-Cas9 is basically the molecular scissors of life, a system borrowed from bacteria that lets scientists cut and edit DNA with insane precision. Think of it as Ctrl plus Z for genetic diseases. Fast forward to today, and CRISPR has officially graduated from the lab to real-life treatments. The biggest breakthrough? Casgevy, the first FDA-approved CRISPR therapy, wiping out sickle cell disease and β-thalassemia. Patients who once lived in constant pain are now cured. Like, what? Okay, so curing genetic diseases is already mind-blowing, but CRISPR isn't stopping there. Scientists are now using epigenetic CRISPR to fight cancer, without even touching DNA sequences. Instead of cutting genes, scientists at the Broad Institute are silencing cancer-causing pathways by tweaking histones, basically DNA's bodyguards. And get this, they achieved 70% tumor regression in brain cancer without a single DNA change. And if that wasn't crazy enough, CRISPR is now taking aim at HIV. Scientists are using it to edit out the virus from immune cells. In a recent trial, 5 out of 7 patients saw their HIV viral loads drop to undetectable levels. We're talking potential cure territory. Now let's talk about prime editing, CRISPR's smarter, more precise cousin. Instead of making rough cuts, prime editing can swap out single DNA letters without breaking the strand. It's already in clinical trials for progeria, an ultra-rare aging disease, and cystic fibrosis, showing a ridiculous 98% success rate in early tests. And here's where things get wild. Some scientists believe CRISPR could be used to slow down aging by fixing genetic damage over time. Imagine a world where wrinkles, gray hair, and age-related diseases are just optional. CRISPR is rewriting the rules of medicine, but it also raises some huge ethical questions. Sure, curing diseases is amazing, but what about designer babies? What if people start editing their genes for intelligence, athleticism, or, I don't know, cat-like night vision? The future of gene editing is closer than we think, but where should we draw the line? CRISPR has already changed lives, and it's only getting started. From curing sickle cell to fighting cancer, and even reversing aging, we're living in a time where medicine isn't just treating diseases, it's erasing them. So, what do you think? Is CRISPR the key to a disease-free future, or are we playing with fire? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because the future is happening right now and you won't want to miss what's next. Want more mind-blowing science? Check out these other videos and hit subscribe.